Hey, what's up guys? I know it's been a little bit. I've been going crazy trying to get ready for King of the Hammers, but I just wanted to go over a couple things what I'm doing on the Miata. So I got the bumper done and reinforced. I didn't end up using a center support bar. If you can see, I got up bars that go up to the mounting brackets. These, I'm not sure yet if I'm going to cut on a 45 or I have plastic plugs that go into them. So this side I got pretty much all welded up except for the front. The front I'm going to start as soon as I get back from California. Today, my son wanted a wing, so I got one. It's just an ABS plastic one, but I'm going to mount it on there. I'm also going to fit the seatbelt harness bar. Once I get the harness bar in, I can mount the seat, finish welding this thing up, and start the front, and then I can paint this thing and start putting it all together. So the wing, I'm not going to mount it up high. I'm actually going to plasma cut brackets that come off of this bar. So let's go check out what I'm going to do. So here's the wing. It's upside down right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plasma cut some brackets with adjustment on the rear so I can pitch it up and down, and then a single bolt in the front, and we'll start getting this thing all together. So what we're going to do, we're going to draw the brackets for the wing, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut 4 of them out. That way I can sandwich that 1/4 inch, or it's actually like almost 3/8. It's some metric Chinese stuff. I'm going to sandwich that between the 2 1/8 inch brackets, then weld it on. So let's draw this out. So these are our wing mounts. You can see they got all the holes. Let's see what they fit like. Look at that. Perfect fit all the way around. So let's get them bolted on the wing, and then we'll center our wing and tack it on. So these are going to go against here. So we got the wing placed on here. It is tilted up right now, but you can see how it fits. Now I just have to measure between here and here, and here and here, and make sure it's centered with the car. And then we can tack it on. So we got it centered against the back of the car. I got pretty close in getting those centered when they came back down, but I also checked it to the tire to make sure it's centered to the car. So now that I marked it with a Sharpie, I'm going to tilt it back to where I think it should be, and I'll still have some adjustment up and down with the brackets I made, plus the brackets on the top. So tack it in, let's see what we got. So that's on. So with this, I still have the ability to, if I want to make longer brackets up, but this is loose and it's rock solid for plastic. I'm pretty surprised. So let me finish this up and then I'll get to doing the harness bar. So we got the wing mounted, got the bumper all in, just has 4 bolts on it right now. So that's pretty much what the back end is going to look like. The exhaust, I have 2 mufflers going in here. I'm just waiting for the piping. So I have the seat sitting there. I have it just sitting up on 2 2x4s because all it's going to have is the brackets and a pair of sliders. So that's going to be the height, maybe a little bit more, but I wouldn't say it's going to be much more than that. So it ends up being 49 1/4. I'm gonna cut a piece that's 51, and that'll give me enough to have true notches on both sides. So let's go over here. So I cut my original piece. I think I did a 51. The piece needs to be 49 1/4. So I had to let the battery charge for a minute. I'm gonna notch it and then fit it in the car, weld it up, and then everything else can be finish welded. So we got the bar fit in. Now it's time to weld it. Hey, so that's it for tonight. So we get the harness bar in. And it's gonna be right on once the seat's mounted. Hey, so if you like what I'm doing, like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna keep doing this. Hopefully you guys like what I'm doing. Also, I'm gonna put a bunch of older videos up. They're not the best quality. They were done on my iPhone, so I'm gonna try to dub sound over them because the sound is very bad. So hopefully you guys like them. I'll put a couple up, see what the feedback is, and then we'll go from there. Thanks for watching. I can't wait to get this thing done.